How to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Launch your settings, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. Next up, restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot clears up temporary bugs. For that, scroll down, navigate to the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now you're gonna get the slider, slide that icon to the right. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then again turn it back. Next, let's check the date and time settings. If these are incorrect, the App Store might fail to connect. For that, navigate to the option Date and Time. Enable for the option Set automatically. If the problem still persists, sign out and sign back into your Apple ID. For that, head back to the main page of settings, click on your Apple ID, scroll down and click on the option Sign Out. Wait for a few minutes and then again sign in back. The next step is to update your iOS or iPadOS. For that, head back, navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it to its latest version. Likewise, also don't forget to reset your network settings. For that, head back, scroll down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. Once the phone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try again. Finally, check Apple's system status page to make sure the App Store servers aren't down. For that, close this, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to this one website, Apple System Status. Now you can check out if there are any issues. If there are any outages, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved. And that's it. Try these steps in order and you should be able to fix the cannot connect to App Store error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.